Sell without selling. My invisible sales call method. Let's be honest, do you secretly dread sales calls? That feeling in your stomach before you hit join meeting, the pressure to perform, to convince, to handle objections, and the soul-crushing feeling when they say, I need to think about it. It's exhausting. What if I told you the most successful coaches and consultants I know almost never sell on their calls? In fact, the deal is usually 90% closed before they even say hello. Today, I'm going to explain you the one simple system that makes this possible. I call it the invisible sales call method. For those who are new here, my name is Anna Zakkery. On this channel, I explain how you can scale from 10K launches of your online courses to 100K launches and higher. Since 2018, I've been helping coaches to do this using evergreen webinars and other types of sales funnels. This channel is all about peaceful online sales, scaling your business without the burnout, and eliminating dreadful sales calls is a huge part of that. Okay, the traditional call is broken. It's designed to fail. Why? Because you walk into that call as the performer and the client walks in as the judge. You have to spend the entire 45 minutes proving your worth, explaining your process, justifying your price, and fighting through the skepticism. You are essentially in an interrogation room, hoping you give the right answer to be found worthy. This is incredibly inefficient and, what is even worse, exhausting. So what if the entire model is backward? What if the purpose of a call wasn't to sell, but simply to close the deal that's already 9% made? That's the core of my invisible sales call method. We let a simple automated system do all the heavy lifting of selling before the call. The system has just 3 parts. Part 1, the filter. This is your gatekeeper. It's a simple but super smart application form that someone has to fill out before they can even book a call with you. It asks key questions about their goals, their challenges, and their budget. You read them and set up the appointments only with those candidates who hit your type A grade, meaning they are not just the time wasters, they are highly potential customers. You will ask me what to do with the rest of them, what to do with those who did not fit the criteria. No worries, they will receive the email flows which will nurture them and offer the downsell products. And you will not waste time on talking with those candidates. Part 2, the asset. This is the secret weapon. After someone fills out the form, they don't immediately get to book a call. Instead, they are automatically sent a pre-call binge box. This is a curated package of your best materials. A 10-minute case study video, a short demo of your process, or a PDF explaining your philosophy. This asset acts as your 24/7 sales representative. It educates them, builds massive trust, and answers their questions before you ever speak to them. Let me know in the comments, is it difficult for you to handle the calls with the clients? Does it feel so difficult to all the time justify the price and talk to the time wasters? And part 3 in this method is the handshake. This is the call itself, but now it's not a sales call, it's a handshake call. The person showing up has already been filtered, they've already consumed your high-value asset, they are not a skeptic, they are a believer. The call is a simple 15-20 minute conversation to confirm they are a good fit, answer final logistical questions, and welcome them aboard. The pressure is gone, and you feel that awesome feeling inside. Why is this simple system so incredibly effective? 3 reasons. First, it flips the power dynamic. You're no longer the one trying to convince them. They are now trying to convince you that they are a good fit to work with you. The second reason is it forces commitment. A person who takes 15 minutes to fill out a form and watch your video is infinitely more invested and serious than someone who just clicks a book a call button. And the third reason, it leverages your time. You create the pre-call asset once and it works for you hundreds of times, saving you thousands of hours of repetitive, draining sales conversations. This method is a perfect example of a peaceful online sales. It's about replacing manual effort with a smart system. It's about designing a business that serves you, not the other way around. The invisible sales call method is just one piece of the puzzle. is the system that closes the clients, but you also need a system that finds those clients on autopilot. That's exactly what I break down in my free guide, the Peaceful Scaling Playbook. It shows you the 5 crucial steps, which allows you to build a complete machine from attracting leads to closing them. That can scale your business from 10K launches to 100K launches a month. If you are ready to stop selling and start architecting, click the first link in the description below. Download the playbook, and it's time to get your time back. The message of this video was all about changing your attitude to the Zoom calls. Instead of just being the person who are trying to convince the customer, get to the same level with the customer and negotiate. Do not just do the sales call. Make a handshake call where you only close, provide the packages, explain the details of the packages, which has not been explained yet, and welcome the client aboard. The only thing which separates you now from this system is the action which you need to take. Do it today and enjoy the benefits of autopilot sales. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time.